number 4 doesn't look like the other ones. It actually does not look like a complex rational expression. But it is because of these negative exponents. So 12x to the negative 2 is the same thing as 12 over x to the positive 2. 3x to the negative 1 is the same thing as 3 over x to the positive 1, or just x. And same thing with the bottom. This will be 15 over x minus 9 over x squared. So whenever you see negative exponents, you can just move them underneath the number that they're next to. Okay, so now that it looks like the other ones, I want to find my LCD. And really my LCD is just going to have x's in it, and it's going to be an x squared. And I want to multiply each of these by the LCD itself over 1. Okay, so I want to cancel everything out. And that's going to leave me with 12 minus 3x over 15x minus 9. Again, there's no fractions left except for the main fraction bar. Okay, so now I need to factor and then simplify as far as possible. So out of the top, if you factor 3 as a GCF, that'll leave you with 4 minus x. And you can actually take a 3 out of the denominator, and that will leave you with 5x minus 3. So those 3's will cancel out, and you're left with 4 minus x over 5x minus 3.